I'm just heading out to meet up with the boys. Beautiful start to the morning. So we'll go find a park and yeah, we'll go check out some cars. What's up guys, back in for another episode today, and today we are in the XR8. Wasn't actually planning to do any work on this weekend, but it's Auckland All Ford day tomorrow. None of any of my other cars are ready. That leaves us with the XR8, so we're going to get this thing ready for the show. Not that it's a show car, it is probably going to be the shittiest looking XR8 out there, but yeah, still turn up and check out everyone else's cars and whatnot. And hopefully this little girl down here is going to help me fix my car today. Hey Gracie? No, probably not. She's probably just going to annoy me like normal. So yeah, so we're going to sort out a few things. Last night I did a service, oil and filter change. Alright Grace, let's get this engine serviced. So, get off my shoe, you shit. Hey, get off! Get off! Gracie, I'm not playing fights today. Get off, you little shit. So that was done. We'll go get this car cleaned up and yeah, we'll get stuck into doing some work. So yeah, this thing is pretty rough. It was an ex-tradie ute at some stage, I reckon. So it's got the odd scrape, dent, broken bits and pieces, clear coat peeling off, paint fading, no rego. But yeah, overall this thing just needs a good tidy up. Interior wise, this thing is pretty rough as well. Got some new mats to go in because these are still the same fucking checker plate looking mats, I think they are. Yeah, still the old plates I got with the car. So this thing needs a bit of a tidy up on the interior as well. We'll get this thing tidied up and then yeah, we'll do a bit of a video, I guess, like a walk around type thing at the show tomorrow, and yeah, I think that'll be the video for this week. Just until I get a bit more time to spend on the EL. Tuning wise and stuff like that takes a bit of time out of the day, so yeah, try and get stuck into that maybe next weekend. Alright, so I'm going to do a bit of a clean up in the interior. So we'll grab a rag and we'll just go and see what I've got on the shelf. Okay, what have we got here? It was a leather interior cleaner or something, carpet and upholstery cleaner. No, not exactly what I was after. Plastic, vinyl, leather cleaner. This is the one I was after. So, give us a jam. I might change this console lid actually. You can see the little dimples everywhere. That's my dog conveniently using it as a stool when she wants to jump on things. So yeah, I'm going to pull that off. I think actually came out of a GT that's got the leather stitching down it. So I'm going to take this off and chuck it, and I'll swap the other one in. Just go look in the parts stash and see if I actually still do have it. There we go. And amongst all sorts of other shit in here. Beautiful. Alright, I'm actually not too sure how these are unbolted, I just figured it out. There's actually some screws just inside here, and I've got the wrong screwdriver, so we're just going to get the right one. Oops. Yeah, so that's one piece done. Fun fact that I don't think anybody was ever going to use anyway, but there's a credit card holder up here and a pen holder in here. Useless facts 101. So that's the console lid changed over. The only reason I say this might have come out of a GT is because the guy I bought this off actually had a steering wheel out of a GT and the premium sound out of the GT that I was looking at buying. So I don't know if these come out on Fairmont gears, because I imagine Fairmonts would have leather and not that heap of shit down there. But yeah, all done, looks a lot nicer. Would recommend doing. Alright, so that's the interior cleaned up as much as I can be bothered. Check out my $13 mats from Super Cheap Auto. So this is the headlight kit that we're going to use to restore these things. So as you can see, a little bit cloudy, but these should come up quite nicely with a little bit of work. So yeah, we'll get stuck into it. First thing we'll do is tape up the surrounding area of the headlight. Wet the headlight a little bit, get a little bit of water on there, and then we're going to hit it with some 1500 grit. The reason I'm going for 1500 grit is this is not actually that bad. You probably see it's already starting to get the cloudiness off the surface. So yeah, if you can get that off with relatively smooth paper, always go for that first, because the coarser the sandpaper you use, the more work it takes to actually get it to a surface before you can actually spray it with the sealant. So yeah, we'll just wet this down with 1500, and then yeah, we'll clean it up and spray the clear on. So pretty much just keep sanding away until you get it down to sort of looking like it's a bit more of a clear sort of substance coming off the headlights and not yellow. Once you've got the yellowing off, yeah, you sort of get down to more of like a clear sort of residue that comes away from the headlights. And it is always going to look worse before it looks better, so you can sort of still see the scratches. I don't really want to go much smoother than that, because once I spray the clear on there, that'll fill up the very small scuff marks in there, but it also gives the clear something to bite into. So yeah, we'll let that dry, we'll clean it up, and then yeah, we'll spray it with the clear. Alright, so first things first, isopropyl alcohol, give it a clean down. Wax and grease remover will do the same thing. And yes, I'm using this as a workbench, don't care. So give it a bit of a wipe down just to make sure that this sealant is going to stick to it. Yeah, I think it should do the trick. Just let that sort of dry off a little bit. If you want decent results, you should probably mask this off a little bit better than what I have. I don't really care, to be honest, because this is the wrong colour. This is like hella faded. So the entire thing's going to get resprayed at some stage, but these headlights definitely need to look a lot better. So yeah, we'll just hit it with a coat of this, and then it should be all good. not bad. So yeah, as you can see, that actually turned out really good in comparison to the one that's not sealed. So one coat seems to just give it a way better finish. And yeah, so far I've done this on a few cars and it's actually lasted quite a while. So that's not sealed and that's sealed. So when I'm using this, I prefer to just do one coat. Don't know why, but every time I do two coats, it's almost like the clear doesn't set smooth. You get a hell of a lot of orange peel through it. But if you just spray one coat, obviously don't spray it on too thickly, but just spray a nice even coat across it. This kit here, this is the one to buy. It is a little bit pricey. I think it's about 90 bucks usually, but get it on special, not too bad. So that's that one done. That's that one done. Yeah, just makes the front end look a hell of a lot nicer, so pretty happy with that. Alright guys, so it's like, I think it's about 9:30 right now. Just got home, just washed the ute. So yeah, we're basically ready for Auckland All Ford day tomorrow. So we'll be up nice and early, convoy out in the morning, catch up with the boys at a gas station. Yeah, we'll gather our shit and then we'll head off to Ardmore, which is a little airfield in the south of Auckland. So yeah, it should be a good day. Hopefully the rain stays away. Hopefully everyone brings their nice fucking cars out, because yeah, it should be nice to see everyone parked up together. So check in again in the morning and then yeah, do a little bit of a rundown at the show. Alright guys, it's Sunday morning, just heading out to meet up with the boys. Yeah, then we'll make our way out to Ardmore Airfield for Auckland All Ford Day. So yeah, hopefully it's a good day. Beautiful start to the morning. Well, that was lucky. That nice lady cop led me through, and she didn't even check that my rego was out. Safer communities together. Yeah, let's go. Alright, got Blue G in the front, Big Uso in the back. We on. So we made it to Ardmore, so we'll go find a park and yeah, we'll go check out some cars. basically Auckland All Ford Day done for 2024. We got there a little bit later than we had hoped, but yeah, we still made it. We literally got there like an hour after opening, and we had to park in one of the back fields. It was like a car park, so not ideal. So we had to wait for a few guys to clear out when they were leaving. We sort of just took their spots. So yeah, that was good. Good to catch up with the boys, and good to catch up with the aunties as well. It's been a while. Fuck, so many people I didn't get to catch up with. Saw their cars there and stuff, but yeah, as always, next time. I haven't actually been to an All Ford Day in a long time, so it's good to get out and check out the scene again. It definitely isn't the same as what it used to be, say, 4 or 5 years ago. It's definitely died off a lot, but yeah, be good to get the buzz going again, and yeah, sort of get the motivation flowing to get all the cars that we've been working on, get them finished, and bring them out and put them on show and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully there's a little bit of something in there for everyone. Good variety at the All Ford Days, so yeah, a little bit of a show and tell about what's at the show and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll keep these videos rolling in, and catch you on the next one. Chat.